What up, though? Today is August 9th, 2025, day 451 of the Billionaire Journey of Adrian Mays, your AI cash story captain. Now, I know about some people hear that go, they think that's crazy, that's too big. But let me tell you how I think, and let me tell you this. If you have faith, put your head down, believe, and do the work, anything is possible with God on your side. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. How to inspire your audience to believe in their own big dream using Jason Fladlien's EXCITE Method. This is the part of your webinar that connects emotionally, builds anticipation, and sets up your offer for maximum conversion. So let me paint the picture for you so you can understand the thought process behind this actual opportunity. I remember, for example, watching Russell Brunson say, if you want to become a millionaire, you need to focus on one number every single day and hit that number, and that's going to get you there. That number for me, it's not a dollar amount. It's inspiring one person every single day. Because if I inspire one person every day and they take action, the ripple effect turns into clients, impact, and yes, income. But here's the thing, inspiring people isn't about giving them the step-by-step right away. It's about painting such a vivid dream outcome that they can see themselves living it before they even know how they'll get there. That's exactly what Jason Fladlien's EXCITE Method does. And I've been using it every day on my journey, from growing my AI cash story method to building up a CCC Elevate You AI webinar empire. Because why? Because it works. So here's what the EXCITE Method is. Think of it like this. The T's in your webinar sparks curiosity, and we talked about that in a previous lesson. The EXCITE Method shows them that the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow, it's obtainable. They can actually get that. And so here's the 5-step EXCITE framework to kind of get a better idea on how it works. Now, step 1, acknowledge where they are right now. Show empathy for their struggles. Understand their pain. Step 2, promise the shift. Now, the big transformation without the how yet. Step 3, paint the vivid picture. What they'll see, feel, hear when they'll succeed and get to that dream outcome. Step 4, tie it to their deep desires. Freedom, security, recognition, time with their family, time to do the things that they love to do. And step 5, bridge to your solution. Hint that you have the exact step-by-step roadmap or strategy or insightful thing to help them get there. So when you run a webinar and use the EXCITE method to say, imagine building a client attraction machine that runs 24/7, generating dream leads while you're asleep, without tech overwhelm, without ads, without burnout. That's painting the dream, and that's when people lean in and want to actually know more about what you're actually giving them to offer. So let me give you a real example, my AI cash story method. Now, when I paint the dream, I don't just list a whole bunch of features, right? I actually say, picture this. You launch your AI webinar in under 60 minutes. Your slides and scripts are done for you. You go live once, and the replay keeps selling your offer for you over and over again every single day while you sleep. Your community grows, your inbox fills with ready-to-pay clients, and you finally have the freedom to choose how to spend your time. Then you think about bridging into the offer. Launch your AI webinar like a billionaire without perfection. And that's the dream. In the EXCITE section, make someone want it now and understand how and what that AI cash story method is about. So here's the mindset shift. When you run your webinar, your job isn't to dump a whole bunch of information. Your job is to inspire a vision so clear, so emotionally charged that your audience believe it's possible for them today. And this is why, and they want to believe because they'll take action. And action is what changes lives and builds empires. So if you're ready to build that billionaire brand and to learn how to paint the dream outcome in your own AI webinar and turn it into a client attraction machine, get in the game. Let's build it together and make sure you take action. Go ahead and download the different things for this lesson and be able to, hey, hit me in the DM and let me know how it's going, and join the Facebook community and engage and let everybody know you're building your billionaire brand. I can, I will, I shall be victorious. What up though? I'll see you in the next lesson. Deuces. Let's go.